Good morning, students. Welcome to the online science classes for the new session. Let's start our second lesson, teeth and tooth care. First, I will explain you about function of teeth. Yesterday, we learned about the function of teeth. Teeth help us in many ways. Teeth help us to bite and chew food. They help us speaking clearly. They give shape to our face. Clean teeth make our smile beautiful. So, these all are function. Now, types of teeth. So, I told yesterday the permanent teeth are of four types. They are incisors or cutting teeth, canines or tearing teeth, premolars or crushing teeth, molars or grinding teeth. So, incisors, number of teeth in both the jaw is 8 and function is to bite food. Canines, number of teeth in each jaw is 4 and function is to tear the food. Premolars 8 and function is they help to crush the food. Molars 12 and function is to grind the food. So children, today we will study the structure of a tooth. First I will explain you the structure of the tooth. So listen carefully. A tooth consists of enamel, dentine and pulp tissue. The portion of a tooth exposed to oral cavity is known as dental crown, and the portion below the dental crown is known as tooth root. It is the softer than the enamel. The tooth has two anatomical parts of the crown and the root. The crown is a part of the tooth that is normally visible in the mouth. Yes, structure of tooth. The teeth help us to bite, chew, grind, etc. The visible above the part gum is called the crown. Crown has a whitish covering. It is called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the body. So see children, now textbook, the structure of tooth. See all of you. A tooth is embedded in a socket of the jawbone. It has three parts. Here it is given three parts. The uppermost is called crown. The middle part is called neck. The lower part is called root. The outer part of the tooth is enamel. This one is very hard. It is the hardest part in our body. Beneath the enamel lies the main part of the tooth called dentine. Dentine surrounds the pulp, which lies in the center of the tooth. The pulp is made of soft tissues and consists of blood vessels and nerves. See here, nerves and blood vessels is connected from the pulp. So, see the diagram. See this children, this diagram. The uppermost part is called crown. So this much part is called a crown. And the middle part is called neck. The lower part is called root. Now the whiter part of the tooth is called enamel. So this part is called a enamel and it is the hardest part in our body. The enamel lies the main part of the tooth called dentine. Dentine surrounds the pulp which lies in the center. While this pulp is made up of soft tissue and consists of blood vessels and nerves. So the pulp is made up of a soft tissues and consists of a blood vessels and a nerves. Now see children, tooth age. See the book and I will first explain you tooth age. A tooth age is a pain that you feel in or around your tooth. Most often, tooth age pain is a sign that there's something wrong with your tooth or gums. Sometimes, however, tooth age pain is referred pain. That means the pain is caused by a problem elsewhere is your body. You should never ignore tooth age. Pain in or about a tooth is called a tooth age. Tooth age, also known as dental pain, is the pain in the teeth or their surrounding. So now see the book. You must have heard someone at home or one of your friends complaining about tooth age. When we eat and do not wash our mouth properly, bits of food may get stuck between the teeth. So when we are eating and we are not washing the mouth, that time the bits of food may stuck between the teeth. These food particles rot by the attack of some bacteria and form a thin sticky layer over the teeth. This sticky layer is called a plaque. So, very important word, plaque. Over time, this plaque react with sugar present in the food and produce acids. The acid first attacks the enamel and then the pulp. First it will be attacked to the enamel, then the pulp, causing hole or cavities. This is called tooth decay. So, we have to not eat much sweet also. Now, effects of tooth decay. The tooth decay may cause holes or cavities in the tooth, terrible pain. On that time, we are feeling so much pain. Foul smell in the mouth, smell is also come very. Stomach disorder, loss of teeth, bleeding, gums. Now, here are some tips to help you look after your teeth. Drink a lot of water, mind your diet, brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to the bed at night. You should drink enough milk. Milk contains calcium that makes your teeth strong. Wash or rinse your mouth every time after eating food, especially chocolate and sweet meats. Use the right dental products.